You can see around here, the business are closed because of two people, and they are because of their interest. In Rongo town now we have two ODM office, so we don't know which one is which one is the real ODM office and which one is which. So we request the national government, the national ODM leaders to come and cancel this issue in Rongo.
Election is a competitive process, and when people are competing, we don't expect them to agree on everything. So what I've just been experienced here is just normal in any campaign. But what I'm saying as a member of parliament of Rongo constituency, I'm urging our people to act with a lot of restraint, even if they're being provoked, and I'm pleading for a very peaceful election exercise.
Not allow whatever happened in the past to happen this time again. So we will not favor any leader. We'll be, as a government, will be neutral. We will not support any party politics. We will not be part of this party politics. But in case there is a problem, then each party will face the full force of the law, regardless of their position, regardless of their status.